Hello, my virtual home. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another product review. So, I wanted to come on today, and I actually have a really awesome product that I want to unbox and kind of give you a first look at. I'm very excited to show you guys this product, right? So, bear with me as I unbox and show you guys the HP Chromebook. So we're gonna get to make and model to the best that we can based off looking on the outside of the case. So with that being said, let's get right to it. Yeah, so we are considering this Chromebook. It's the HP Chromebook. It says x360. And then we got some more model numbers right there. Here's some quick information. It's going to be the touchscreen Chromebook. 32 gigabyte, 4 gigabyte. Google Chrome, all that good stuff. Let's take a quick look. Now, before we unbox the box, you guys know that I have to show you my toolkit that I use. I have to get my handy dandy blade out of the toolkit. So without further ado, let's skip the blade. Now, if you watch the channel, and my product reviews, you know how handy this blade is for me. The toolkit is actually the Kaiser Precision Toolkit, Electronic Repair Toolkit kit. It comes with a lot of handy things. I love how you can just slide up and slide down the blade. I will definitely put the link to the toolkit in the video. But let's move on to our review. Let me take a handy dandy seat and let's open up this box. So we're gonna start by cutting along the tape. So we have a really good cut there. And we're going to cut the tape along right there. Okay. And then we're going to cut the tape right in here. Trying to make for a very easy open. Okay, so we're going to put our blade down. Going to bring it down and put it out of the way. So, welcome to the unboxing of the HP Chromebook. Very, very excited to see what's in the box. Looks like everything starts out with a quick manual, guys. Questions, concerns. This is our setup guide. Now, this Chromebook advertises that you can use a lot of Android apps with it. So it has a limited liability 1 year on parts and labor. That's awesome. You guys can look over that when you purchase. I will leave the link to the Chromebook below. Let's see what's here. All right. So here it looks like we have a power cord. It looks like it's going to be a three-prong. And I see that copper in there. So hopefully that gives us a really good stable connection. And this is going to be our outlet on this product. And then here we actually have the base where the 3 prongs are going to go into. Matter of fact, how about we just put that together? So we'll sit that right there and insert that piece onto that piece. So we have them together. Let's see if we can close this gap. Well, no, it looks like the gap's supposed to be there. So we're going to leave it like that. Looks like it's fit properly. You guys, I was in such a need of a updated computer that I said, why wait any longer? If I don't get it now, then I'll be waiting until the cows turn blue. We know the cows will not turn blue, so I said I'm not going to wait on taking care of this any longer. And I do suggest you guys do the same. So alright guys, so we're going to push our chair closer to this outlet and bring our Chromebook closer to the outlet. So let's plug this end piece onto this outside outlet. Okay, so that is plugged up. And this is the end piece that goes on the HP Chromebook, which is actually seems like it's going to be convenient because my phone uses this piece. So fun, right? So let's pull this device out. I like how they have the the styrofoam right here on the device, giving it a little protective layer. And then I also like that the Chromebook is in this sleeve. I like that branding right there. It says Chrome, all beautiful. And then they have the tape right here. So let's untape this. Pull out that tape. There we go. And let's get our device out of the wrapper. Oh my god, it is so beautiful, guys. So there it says HP. It has the Chrome. I've been looking for a laptop in this century, and it looks like we got us one. So it does a really easy flip open. This is a first look at the screen. It's so shiny, you can literally see through it. It comes with a little protective sleeve to protect the keyboard, protect the screen and the keyboard. I find that to be cool. And this is our keyboard right here. So we got our controls right here up at the top. Our control keys onto the regular keyboard. Our up and down functions, that's good to have. And then here is a good look. So this is going to be the HP Chromebook 360. 4 versatile modes. Wow. It's going to have the HP IPS touch display and over 1 million Android apps. This is going to definitely be a versatile new angle on Chromebook. So here you guys, here you go. This is the first look right here. You can use your smartphone to scan this device piece right here so that you can get more information about reviews, videos, features, specs, and support. It's definitely going to be energy efficient, and then Intel inside. So we're very excited about this, guys. HP. So yeah, this is going to be your first look at the HP Chromebook. I really hope that you like the first look and review. Now, one thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn this baby on. So let's get to that. Let's see where this charger cord goes. Let's bet. I'm going to say the right side. You guys say the left. I think I was right. It goes right here on the right side. So these are going to be the controls. I think this is going to be the power right here. Power right there on the end. And then these are going to be all of your ports. All right. So we're going to plug this baby in right here. Then we're going to look for an indication light. I don't see an indication light on the outside. So let's open them up. And I still don't see an indication light. So find the power button. I saw something here on the side. This button. Oh, looks like the power button is right here on the side. So we're going to open the baby up again. And we're going to hit this power button right here on the side. Oh, that was fast. I wonder how long it takes to load. So it says Chrome right there on the screen. And it says welcome. So I think there's going to be a lot of little welcome stuff that we do. I'm definitely going to come back, you guys, on about the functionality of this device. But for right now, enjoy the look. Definitely a handy device. This is going to be my first laptop where I don't have the CD, where you can make CDs. That I think I'll make it. So with that being said, if you guys came by this video anyway, please definitely like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you have this laptop or if you want to get it. It is definitely a beauty. Very, very compact. Very thin. I love that. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Go ahead and hit the bell notification if you want to see more from me. And the link to this product will definitely be below. And yes, go ahead and purchase the product so we can discuss it in the comments. I'm going to see you guys next time on My Virtual Home. Have a wonderful day.